Okay, what is up, YouTube? We're gonna be doing today, it's not gonna be a themed thing, maybe a little bit superhero themed, because that's gonna be probably the main idea for today. But we're gonna do a random pack opening, and then there's some random packs over there. We'll get into them in a minute. Then it's gonna be leading up to this old Superman the Man of Steel Premium Edition. Platinum series. So cool. They're probably super expensive. I don't know why I'm opening them. Then this one's pretty cool. Batman Returns Top Stadium Club. Right there, that's white and it's not yellow, because back in the day it used to be white, I guess. 15 of these in here, so that should be super cool. So we're gonna save these over here, and when we get done these, we'll open those. I just bought these at the, what is it called, the flea market. All of them for $1, because the guy had like a bunch of, like a big box full of this stuff. I should have got more of these, but I don't know. Alright, first one is Major League Baseball Studio 1993 Premium Quality Baseball Cards by Leaf. So these are gonna look super cool. They're all gonna be, you know, have some cool design on it. This one's already opened. I didn't open it, but hey, you get it for free. You really can't care. Let's put that over there. First one we got, New York Yankees. It's my favorite team, even though I'm a Philadelphia Eagles fan. Studio. See, so every card has like the, you know, little gold name, and then probably the background of their thing, and the tag. So you know it's from Studio. See that? Pat Kelly, second base. Gonna put the cards over, where's that? Put over here. And right here, I put this for the background because we're opening Batman Year 100, and then Batman 66, sealed, like that one. Alright, next one. Got Phil Houck from Kansas City Royals. It's pretty cool. He is third base. That one over there. Now we're going into Tony Goon, or, oh no, Glenn. San Diego Padres. These cards are really nice. I like how they have him, the people, and then the background. They have the logo of what they have on their jerseys. This company did a really good job of, you know, making their cards, making it appeal. Who's this? Juan Guzman for the Toronto Blue Jays. Nice. Then we have Dayron White for the Toronto Blue Jays. Then we have Matt Williams, third base, San Francisco Giants. Right there. And we have, who's this? Mike Lansing. Inside field, I guess. Montreal Expos. Pretty cool right there. Then we got, who's this? Darryl Hamilton right field for the Milwaukee Brewers. One right there. Who's this? We got George Brett, first base, Kansas City Royals. Then we got, who's this? Derek Bell, outfield, San Diego Padres. Do that if you want. And then for the Phillies, Terry Mulbolin for the Philadelphia Phillies. And don't get mad that I'm not a Phillies fan, even though I like the Philadelphia Eagles, because my friend likes the dumb Cowboys, and he's a New York Yankees fan like me. I haven't watched baseball, so it doesn't matter. Alright, next, I'm going to save these comic balls for right after we do this. It's just a little promo card, Armageddon. I don't think I'm going to open this, because it's just a card. It's pretty cool. It's just mayhem. It's even hard to see. This reminds me of a card, a Venom card. Oh my god. I'm gonna get mad talking about it. We found it. I put in a binder of a bunch of stuff. Someone sold it without telling me. Sucked, because I bet that card was super expensive. Like the whole thing was hologram like this, but like the whole thing. And when you shot in the light, you can see Venom like in 3D. And there's only 3 types of those cards. But hey, whatever. Pretty cool right there. Alright, the comic ball. Number 4, the comic ball Looney Tunes. See this? How many cards are in this one? Check in the back. 12 limited edition cards in each pack. It's pretty cool. From 1992, made in California. Alright, let's open this one. Comic ball. Got the Looney Tunes, got the pig, that dog, Bugs Bunny, that chicken that runs away from the wolf, and a duck. Oh, so good. Okay. Oh, I guess these are like comments too, okay. These packs are pretty rough. It's weird. Alright. Let's see, this is the Martin thing. Pop goes to the Martin. Oh, Pop goes to Martin. This guy always scared me as a kid, I don't know. Just looked weird. It's so much clearer without the ozone layer. I just love my plan for conquering Earth. Guess he's a bad guy. Question, how many touchdowns did Thurman score in 1990? I don't know. Answer, 13 touchdowns. Okay. I guess you gotta line these up and it'll make a cool picture. What position did Thurman Thomas finish in the Heisman Trophy balloting? 7th. It's pretty cool. Then right here we have the Buffalo Bills. Out of my way, you turf mucklam, yahoos, run and shoot. Got him right there. Alright. Then we got San Francisco 49ers halftime. We got that guy coming at that. That's the guy that spins really fast, I think. You can see he's not even trying to look at him. He's scared. Let's see. How many Pro Bowl berths has Jerry Rice earned? 6. 6 Pro Bowl berths. Let's put that right there. La la la. Hi. It's frog. La 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 la. Me 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 me. Hoppin' halftime. Oh, this is their halftime. It's a frog. A scary looking frog. Who are the 2 quarterbacks that have passed for more yards in a single game than Dan Marino? Who is it? Norm Van Brooklyn and Warren Moon. Okay. After this, I'm going to check if we have any aligning cards to see if we can put them together, you know. That goes right there. Then another Buffalo Bills. Crowd control. Yes, I'm on the... Oh, this is a fan on the thing. Yes, I'm on the field trying to whip up a little crowd enthusiasm because some persons are not playing an exciting enough game. He's like, bro. He's like, you want to get concussions? Gotta get that duck. Get that duck out here. That duck don't know. Who did Thurman Thomas tie last season for single game receptions? Haywood Jeffries of the Houston Oilers. Got the duck right there. Dang, there's a bunch of cards in these packs. Sprawling, Wap, Martin touchdown. What the heck? Oh, so is this like a trap from that Martin guy? Scary looking guy. Don't know. How many yards rushing did Thurman Thomas record last season? 1,407 yards to lead to the AFC rushers. Pretty cool. What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, what the heck? Yo, oh my god. What the? Oh my. Bro. Shaking right now. Look at that. Oh my god. Who's that? Let me try and see the team. Miami Dolphins. And Bugs Bunny is about to get that ball. Holy crap. Is that a rare one? I gotta look this up. Halfway through this video, I'm gonna look this stuff up and see if that's rare, because that is dope. You get close to it's all rainbow. Oh my god, that is so dope. You can probably hear the crazy music I'm gonna edit behind this, but that is so cool. We're putting that right there. Look at that. Oh my god. This is crazy. Question, what did other sports besides football did Lawrence Taylor play? Baseball and basketball. Oh, let's see a comic. Hang Time. Oosh. That guy has the best of, like, This is the guy that works hard to try and just eat that guy, but he has the best luck in the world. Like, he can never get eaten. Like, he's smart, he plans stuff out, he tries, but he can never get him. That duck has the best luck. Put that over there. Still can't believe we got that. Look at that. Oh my god. Can you see that? That looks so dope on camera. Oh my god, that is so crazy. I hope we get another in there. I see smell of victory. My cheerleader, she was vanished. I would be a very sad and lonely football player. I don't get it. How many sacks did Lawrence Taylor have in 1989? 51 sacks. In 1989, Lawrence Taylor had 51 sacks. It's crazy. Another Z smell of victory. Hello, mi comadres. I'm here to be Z football player. Hero. Guess they're gonna lose because they smelling that. Let's see. How many touchdowns did Thurman Thomas score in 1991? 21 touchdowns. Can we just stop again and note it? Oh my god. Repeat defender. You make me so angry. Now he's starting to emote. Look at that guy. Bugs Bunny doesn't have a care in the world. He can do anything. Alright. Gut check time. What a game, folks. With 3 seconds left, the Martins lead by 4 points. Dang, what the? He probably bet on someone. He probably bet on someone and he's like hoping they don't sack, fumble, or lose the game. Gut check time. What was Thurman Thomas' single game rushing high last season? 165 yards against the Miami Dolphins. And then we got a repeat of the Martin touchdown where the old lady beat him with the stick. Boom! Look at that! Oh my god. That is such a dope card too. That's Bugs Bunny taking that ball. He's gonna take that home, you know. God, bro, that is amazing. Alright. Speaking of amazing, let's open the next comic ball pack. Let's hope there's another card like that in there. Hope so, I hope so. Hope so, I hope so, I hope so. Let's open this. Comic ball 4. Comic ball 4. Alright. Let's open this. Oh my god, I think I see another shiny card in the middle of the pack. Oh my god. What is Dan Marino's birth date? Answer, September 15, 1961. Dang. Hop in halftime. Oh, Becca, I'll have another pineapple frappe, por favor. Wow. So is that what they do? They just sit in the back, drinking margaritas, watching a halftime show. Blind Bugs Bunny. What type of carrot is that? Let's put that there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm getting a glimpse of it already. I'm just 3 seconds from taking over Earth. I think I'll redo it in purple. Gut check time. Let's see. Question, how many Super Bowl rings does Lawrence Taylor have? 2. 1 from Super Bowl XX5 and 1 from Super Bowl XX1. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh my god, I'm getting glimpses of the silver card. Martin touchdown. That makes me so angry. It's time to bring in the TDXP7. I don't even know what that is. Dan Marino is the only quarterback in NFL history to do this in 2 different seasons. Passed for 40 touchdowns or more in 1984 and 1986. Oh no. What college did Thurman Thomas attend? Beep beep. Oklahoma State. See small victory? Got them palm up there. Ah, the huddle, the Americans and their male building. Don't stay as far away as you want. Like, oh my god. Look at that guy's face. He's like, stay back, bro. Please. I'm gonna flip the deck over. Because after these 2, we're gonna see the silver card. I'm gonna flip back over. We're gonna check, okay? The small victory. We're eat not for all the agents with their big contracts. Look, they want his contract because he probably does the best defending and ball getting because they all just die over his smell. So they're all gonna sign him. What did Lawrence Taylor play high school sports? Hey, I taught a putty tat. Lafayette High School. No one cares. What's it say? Hang time. That coyote has got great hands. Phew. Beep beep. Sign him up. Beep beep. Beep beep. What other sports does Dan Marino and Lawrence Taylor play as a hobby? Golf. Alright, we're about to see the card. Oh my god. I don't think you're ready for this. Look at that, the duck. He is on the Colts. And then he is going after let me check what team that is. Dang, I can't even see what the... Here, let me check real quick. Oh, it's San Francisco 49ers. Look at that, though. That is so cool. I bet in this time, like, kids would go nuts for this. Crazy. This is awesome. I should have got all of them. Oh my god, why didn't I get all of them? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I bet kids would go crazy for this. I just put that over there with Bugs Bunny. I still think Big Bugs Bunny is super cooler, but I like that one too. That one's really cool. Put them up straight. Okay. We are not done this. Let me flip it back over. Was Dan Moran's birthday. September 15, 1961. This is a repeat. Have you guys seen that Mr. Beast just made 300 Mr. Beast burgers around the world? It's pretty cool. Alright. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Sploosh. Crowd control. What was Jerry Rice's longest touchdown reception in 1988? 96 yards. Ooh, another hop and halftime. I gotta check this out. Watching the halftime show, playing pool, hop and halftime. I wonder if this is actually what they do in halftime. They just do random stuff. They probably just sit. They probably have places, comfortable places they just lay down, you know, while watching it. Pretty cool. What two categories did Jerry Rice lead the league in 1990? Receptions and yardage. I get a kick out of you. I did putty that. It's an onside kick. Bump, bump. Can't touch it until it stops. Can't touch it. Alright. Run and shout. We'll have to switch to the red gun offense. I think I'll sit this out. How many seasons has Thurman Thomas led the AFC in rushing? 2, 1990 and 1991. Then the last one, and then we can get into the big boys. In 1988, what team ended Jerry Rice's 13-game streak of scoring at least one touchdown? The New Orleans Saints. Well, guess what? We just beat the New Orleans Saints with our backup quarterback. So, yeah. Alright. Let me get all this stuff cleaned up, and we're about to open these. So, I'll be right back. I am back. I just cleaned it up. So now, as the other clip you just saw, we open these. Even though it's 2 seconds for you and a long for me, so. This was originally priced at the original store for $4. I got at the flea market. Man of Steel Superman Platinum Series Premium Edition. 6 cards in the pack. So let's see. Superman all related, 1994. Look. Odds of finding Forged in Steel bonus cards, approximately 1 out of every 18 packs. And the Man of Steel Sky Disc card, approximately 1 out of 120 packs. Imagine we got that. Look, and it says, stated odds reflect average of entire production run. The ratio is not guaranteed to exist within an individual box or crate or case. So this is crazy. What if we get one of those 2 cards? That'd be crazy. Then Batman Returns Top Stadium Club 15 Super Premium movie cards. Official Collector's Magazine 3 Batman hologram. It's crazy. This is from 1991. I just don't know which one to open first. So hard. Because this is probably one of the most expensive, I'll save that one for last. Put that next to these 2. And I'm going to open the Batman first. So let me put you guys here while I grab Batman. Lucky I'm open this. Try and keep this as I'm good in shape as I can, because I actually really like this packaging. Got it, got it, got it. Take that out. Try and close it as it was. Okay, got that open, got the cards open. We're gonna put it right here. Alright. So the first card, Batman Returns. This one is behind the scenes right here. And in the front, we got an evil guy coming off saying Batman Returns. It's pretty cool. That's the first one. Right here we got some skulls. Then we got where they use the skulls. So I guess the back of it is behind the scenes and the front of it is at the actual pictures. So I'm gonna flip it over so we can, see the stuff first. This is stuck together. Got a scary guy behind the scenes of that. Another scary guy. Some guy with the police. Then we got Catwoman trying to talk to this old guy. Here. It's another picture of her. Batman Returns. Super cool. Then we got scary people. Bunker with Catwoman. It's weird. Oh, right when I was about to say we're opening Batman pack, we're doing Find Batman. Batman's right there. Catwoman. Ghost Batmans, I guess. So Batman's just a rich guy. Afraid of bats. Because he went into a well. Got stuck in there, I think. She's had dialogues to read in the front. Like, I'm not going to read the behind the scenes because, we got Batwoman. Alright, we are done all the Batman ones. So, let me move these. I mean, I feel like we might get one. That'd be cool if we can get a cool one from the Superman. Imagine we get the one that's 1 out of 118 packs. So the Man of Steel. Just put you guys down. Don't know why I'm opening this. from the top right here. So at least the pack will stay fresh. And so if I want to put the cards back, I can put the cards back. Okay. The cards right here. These cards look so cool. Okay. Look how cool these cards are. Man of Steel. Ooh, Superman got a girlfriend. Mermaid Woman. Assassin right there, Hector. Pretty cool. Lost love in college, Clark Kent met Lori Loomis and fell in love, little knowing that dark-haired beauty was Aladdin. A mermaid years later, Superman helped her find her lost homeland, and they shared one last parting kiss. Dang, these things are made really cool, these cards. No wonder they're so expensive for a pack. Right there. Krypton, 50 light years from Earth. The planet Krypton orbited the red dwarf star Rayo. Over the millennium, the Krypton had become a cold, solitary people living like hermits in their sterile towers attended only by robots. There. Ooh, I like this. It's like him looking, then the grandparents that got him as a baby when he went to their farmland, looking at him while he looks like Superman. I guess she just finished making that for him. It's pretty cool. Yeah, now Superman. With Clark Kent's help, Clark developed a costume secret identity Fu, which he could publicly use his powers. Martha designed his form-fitting uniform, and Clark adopted the given name, reporter Lois Lane's Superman. You can see these are actually 3D, like the boats and everything. Super cool. Then we got a picture of him needing to go into a battle, I guess. Some girl finding out he's Superman. Secret revealed a week into their engagement. Clark Kent revealed to his fiancée that he was also Superman. Though Lois was momentarily taken aback, she quickly recognized the truth that she suspected about, subconsciously denied for years. Super cool. I hate how Spider-Man's life had to be so hard. Acting like, oh no. Okay. He had a mullet? Whatever. He can see through walls. That's pretty cool. Superman looking through walls. Are you gonna help that guy, or are you just gonna watch him? Is that your TV show? No. Vision. Superman is able to focus on objects far beyond the range of normal human sight. His eyes can perceive virtually the entire electromagnetic spectrum, enabling him to see through most solid objects. Cool. Then, him cheating on his girlfriend, Wonder Woman. Two of a kind. Superman first met Wonder Woman during Darkseid's moment to crush Earth's superheroes. The Man of Steel and the Amazon Princess were intentionally attracted to one another, but both came to realize that a romantic relationship wouldn't work. Yeah, duh. Okay. So, unfortunately, we didn't get the good cards on here, but hey, we got some pretty good ones. And we got these. So, thank you guys for watching. Always appreciate it. And see you guys in the next video of Vintage Unboxing.